Alright, so starting now, go.
People don't know my secret cooking style for the noodles, so that's what I think is going to carry me over the top.
Alright, alright.
Yo, it look bad still.
Yeah, financially it look like a real hangover food.
Oh, Gwan Squad, there with the mad crew, the bad people them, Chad Lucci, Big Bro Nick Lou. We're doing like a cook-off. I don't know how to cook, so yeah.
It's gonna be drastic business. Him can't cook, me can't cook. And when you guys find out where we're getting the ingredients from, it's gonna be even worse.
No. What gonna be worse is that you
Me judging it. And me have to taste the food. So it's not worse for Uno.
Worse for you still.
It's your answer, bro. So it's worse for me.
No, I think, bro, I have confidence. My mother told me that I could be anything I want to be, and today I want to be a chef.
Today I want to be a chef.
So alright, what's your name for your chefing career?
I'm gonna go with Chef Top G. I just came to mind.
Chef Top G. I'm gonna go with Chef Lucci. Chef Lucci, that's what we're gonna go with.
Alright, let's go.
Let's go.
Oh, bro,
I don't know.
Got in the car, I've been
no?
matching it out.
Yeah.
If they have what I think they normally have.
Alright, well, let's set some rules right now then, since we're discussing. What's the rules? Meaning, one meat, one protein, you add some chips to it, you know, whatever, I don't know. Well, how many ingredients?
Well, since we're going to the gas station, that's already low-key the budget.
Yeah.
Since we've cut off so many stuff, I just feel like we just need to go to the gas station and each make the best meal possible.
So yo, listen,
out of the gas station.
no natural seasoning in this thing. No. So whatever them grabbing, the grab and go. That's not cooking.
It have a season already.
So, yo.
Alright.
Them look at pre-seasoned chicken.
Look at pre-seasoned chicken.
Pre-seasoned chicken.
Brother, I must chicken chunks in a can you're thinking about.
Yo.
No laugh.
This is a lit still.
No, trust me, man. I'm quite confident. As long as they have noodles, I can make. So if they have a pack of ramen in there, I am confident. I am confident I can make a good meal because that me live on.
Alright.
Yeah, alright.
But if not,
well, remember, you guys gonna pick up some stuff and then I'll pick the secret ingredient.
And then you're gonna pick the secret ingredient.
alright.
So whatever I'm giving for you, it can be candy. It can be anything.
Oh shit.
So you have to know.
Yeah, imagine you say you make a bad sandwich and the man just grab some Skittles and it's a surprise.
Yeah.
Wait, so the secret ingredient we have to incorporate in the meal. We can't just drop it on the side.
No, shit. In the meal.
I was gonna use it for decoration.
I was gonna use it as garnish, bro.
Yeah,
I was just thinking about the Skittles. I was like, yo, if I cut out the Skittles one bag of different color and
Whose idea was this?
The cook-off?
Yeah.
It was mine.
His idea, man. He has.
That's a good idea.
He has ideas out. Like if I could follow that,
yeah,
I think I would have reached 100,000 subscribers already. Man, I have ideas. But I'm just too busy trying to be an adult and I hate it. Real life sucks.
Yeah, YouTube has not seen any of me and James' funniest ideas yet. Just because the funnier they are, they low-key just become harder to execute.
I don't know.
That is it.
You know the vibe. When brother I go cook up a storm right now, I don't know what the hell the man gonna make, but anyway, we're gonna see what's going on.
I'm the Iron Chef. I found him too.
Iron Chef. Man.
Oh, go on, that's it.
See it now. Heineken Zero. Easy me. Alright, so yo peeps, we're giving them 2 minutes. To pretty much grab and go. Alright. I'll give them the last ingredient on checkout.
Okay.
Alright, so starting now. Go. So yo, right now.
No, so if forget
the cream crackers.
Don't even need to rush in and more rush.
No.
Alright. That is what.
Man. Oh, you see, man, try to pick the cocker when I pick the cocker. Where you, hey. Alright.
Shoot, hold on. I need to pick a season there.
James, what you deal with?
Bro,
look.
2 minutes. I move quick and my brain freeze up and now, you know, dog.
This is season there too, you know?
Yeah,
that's a show you season and everything are there.
The cheese, the cheese. cheese not there.
Yo, 1 minute and 12 seconds, alright?
Oh fuck, my bro, my brain a freeze up now, you know that.
Bro,
Ain't
yo.
1 minute.
Mate.
Oh wait, right there. Yo, where the cup noodle then?
Then just fill up about it.
Yo, grab me from about the cup. 1 minute, cup.
We're actually there, we're actually at 1 minute. 55 seconds to go.
Nah. Yo. What?
Yo, man, I go fucking seize it.
Nah.
Yo, people are nothing sick to that.
Yes, yeah, man, me want that.
Yo,
Make it 2
No,
time up?
No, I don't.
no, we have 29 seconds left.
Oh, 29 seconds left. I think this is it, guys. I think I have what I need.
Sure.
I think I have what I need.
16 seconds, 15 seconds.
Yo.
10,
I'm putting something away.
10,
Less is more, guys.
7.
Less is more.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Alright.
I'm going.
Let me get the secret
I went less is
ingredient.
more.
Time.
Oh shit. Secret ingredient.
The only thing I couldn't grab was the extra cheese because it's around the counter. But when I hear me request
Let me
it,
see what I get them for the secret ingredient. You know?
Bro, I have a lot
I'm
of
gonna get them something where,
less is more. Less is more.
change up the vibe.
3 things.
So I'm gonna get them now. Get them as a secret ingredient now. Have to be careful of the secret ingredient. Cause remember, I may have to level it, you know. James, you sure this ingredient can fail?
Yeah, trust me.
Dog, what the hell are you gonna give me for level?
bully beats now.
Yeah, things you never even understand. I can do it.
Yeah, man. One of them each.
Chill.
Yeah, better man just work with what I know, you know?
I rate that.
Secret ingredient.
James. Secret ingredient. I rate that. I rate that. Oh.
Secret ingredient.
I want the blood.
I rate that. I can work with it.
That go, yeah. Well, looking at your ingredients, that's going much better. I think I got you though.
Funny enough, the secret ingredient is better than the chips I picked up.
Yo, no extra points for that, you know. No extra points for the monster.
No.
Okay, you have to be partial.
No, I don't know. So right now I have
$1,086.
Hey, that sounds within budget, eh? My God.
Oh my God. Oh, let's
Well,
go.
remember everybody, underdogs.
Yo,
Big up
at the underdog
Yo,
World
big
Cup
up.
this, you know.
Yo, big up, grab and go again.
Big up, grab and go. Call me Saudi Arabia, call this Argentina, cause him I got loads. Yeah?
So we're heading to the house now.
Huh?
We're heading to the house now.
Yeah, up to the house, up to the kitchen, we're gonna cook off. Let's go, baby. Alright guys, this is not the ingredients. I thought less is more. People don't know my secret cooking style for the noodles, so that's what I think is going to carry me over the top.
Alright. Alright, man. Right till it's here. So, James, come on, put the ingredients right here. Let's go through this. He's rocking with the cup noodles right here. Chicken flavor one. The soup, yep. And Grace corned beef.
Yeah.
Know.
Yo, there were other options in there, but the reason I made sure Grace, for some reason it just, for me, the best flavor come from the Grace corned beef.
Yeah, I'm used to Grace as well. So. And then this is a secret ingredient, so I'm really interested to see how James is going to do with this food right now. Still quick. So, Chad, what go on now for your ingredients? What you have in here now?
So I have the 2 shelly pack right here,
Yeah.
hot and spicy.
Yeah.
Got that yummy cornbread,
Yeah.
literally. Got the cheese, you know what I'm saying? Hot sauce, some Lay's, and then my secret ingredient given to us by the crew, the red hots. I'm ready to go. The big one?
James, you know if we use a Kia, bro?
Yeah, bro. Sometimes. We show the Euro, because sometimes I go this way and it's rolling and pop out of it. Ready?
Watch me give you that style. Watch me give you that
But I need a
style.
knife though.
Good luck. Oh,
Me
nice.
see you ready for pull it in already.
Oh boy.
Oh my.
All right. Ready?
I'm ready.
Let's go.
Guys, the challenge has officially started. Budget meal cook-off is off to a great start.
Yes. So let's see what's taking place now.
Go.
James, were you one of those kids that could eat these like straight out the can?
No, I'm gonna eat sausage.
So you want to give me something to eat?
Yeah. It's like, oh, broke the key.
No way. No way. Bro, after we were just laughing and...
Hold on.
I'm gonna go into the back up. Let me see if I have one. If I don't, I get fucked. No, I don't. No, I don't. No, I don't. No, I don't.
Man, yo, the man Jano style. Real James. You found one?
Yeah. Twisted it the wrong way. I'm gonna see if I do that.
I must say this challenge is off to a great start.
Oh, so alright. Well, you know.
You get flavor, I get fucked. No.
Yeah, you have to wait and change up. Yo, what the fuck are you gonna read? Do this though.
Nowhere. I'm gonna leave this right here for the view. I want it to look good. If I go when this hit, they're gonna be so confused. So guys, this is a secret.
Watch out, God.
Watch out. My pitney them gonna say, Daddy, you're the best chef and not 3 bills to spend. I'm soon no.
Alright, you're not ready for this. What do you think we're gonna do with this, guys? What do you think we're gonna do? What do you think we're gonna do?
Yo, that's really what I want to know.
Oh, they're doing it. It was unnecessary for the YouTube to make it look as good as possible.
Yeah.
Nah, fun.
I'll wash off the seasoning will come with it.
Oh,
Yeah, I know about that.
That's not me first enough.
No, don't
No, that makes me bread. Well, that makes you bread.
Get out here.
Everything James do, but they start laughing like a more.
Bro, let's go on laugh, bro.
Let's see who gets the best laugh.
Hold on, let me see what Lucia got out of what
Laugh last.
Watch out. No, start the fire.
No, man, we have to leave it for the looks.
Just a prep the pot.
So, guys, I've been washing and soaking it off. And what I'm doing here, because I learned this from Bobby Flay, let's keep using that name because I only want to see him, is I'm actually going to use less water, so we're not making a soup. It's actually going to make a wetter noodle. So it's just going to be a straight noodle dish. Ha! What? What? You never... Oh.
Bro.
What's that?
No. I mean, that's how it go, bro. That's how it go. That is it.
So you can tell that beer KFC.
What?
No, bro, bare noodle me eat, bro. If you ever see, bro, it's only bully beef and noodle in my hand. Not.
I should use the stove on this, or I can use this burner.
No, yeah, use a burner, man.
I use anything.
You down? Oh.
Yeah.
No, I'm gonna use a liquor. James, I try sabotage me and I'm gonna see clear.
Catch it.
Alright. That's a fuller style. You can tell I'm not a chef.
Okay.
Yeah. The fan center.
I'll help you out. I'll help you
Hold
out.
on, turn off the one.
Which one does I cook?
No, it might just be this one too. I don't know.
This one.
Yeah. No. Turn it off. I don't know
Yo,
how much.
man, don't blow up in this house.
No, it's just this. It'll go away after a while.
You hear it? Okay.
Yeah.
You sure?
Yeah, I used to cook here when I lived here.
Okay.
Sit.
No, when I heard it, I'm gonna cut open my cornbread, which will be used as the bread for our sandwich.
We need a plate.
Plate?
Okay, no, it's alright. Why do it road style? Yeah. What you share about over here? The dog will never use no oil in the pot, you know?
We never buy no oil.
Oh, okay, so literally everything that's here you guys using.
That's why I'm gonna buy pepper. Oh, it's alright.
Yo, ready? Man, them jump.
Pepper, huh?
Chad, you can't use that technique, you know? That technique, they half limits now.
No panic, bro. No panic.
Nervous mood.
No panic.
There's no nervous escaping.
Never.
So lifestyle, what you are going on with your son now? There's a boil up some noodle. And have the
No, that didn't even touch it, that's all.
fully back over there, so. What Lucia do over your son? No oil in a pot.
No oil, we never buy no oil.
So she just stick to the pot.
Oil never there at the gas station, so you know we have to just go and flip it.
Brother, you crush out them hot chips over here, so. Lucia, chop up the bread over here, so hot pepper and thing.
Alright,
See how we're going
let me show you the style that was happening now. So, it's starting to fall apart now. It's starting to fall apart. Drop into individual noodles, you know what I mean? There's the stir fry, chop suey, lo mein, all them things right now, man.
It's all them things, man.
What the fuck? But, guys, I have to strain one more time. Good try.
No man, I like gonna need some oil before I burn down there, that's for real. No panic though, you know? Get them little charred and crisp.
Stir fry.
You know?
Stir fry.
You know about this.
No.
But they have a crushed bully beef.
Yeah. Fuck us? What? Yo, guys, I do.
Yo, I'm not telling you guys, so far the presentation looking decent from chat. I'm kind of trust the what going on.
Yeah man, we just want to catch little color, that little burn taste, that little, it get that jerk, you know? Jerk, shut it out.
Oh yeah, jerk? Huh? Yeah, my only problem is I did fuck up the first thing. I twisted too hard and I snapped the key. And so
we're using a different brand right now.
yeah, we're using a lesser brand, no offense.
This is the bachelor meal dinner, and this is the financial aid, right? Burger.
Yeah man, that's the financial aid burger.
Alright, so let's start with this first.
It's actually close up. Close up. Alright.
Stir.
Like I said, best way, mix him up, man. Just mix him up so you get everything.
Alright, this is the way he says this meal is supposed to be.
So they eat it in the home country of my yard.
Home country of my yard. So we're gonna get everything in it. I'm gonna just eat a little bit of this, you know.
Yeah, don't remember we know you have dinner and thing.
Congratulations. On the worst dish in this competition so far.
I said we should have called it the bucket dinner. I request a bucket real quick.
Bro, it tastes like it comes straight out of the seasoning bag.
Oh, yes, I went too hard with the cock soup.
Yeah, so we're gonna try the financial aid right now.
Yo, it look bad still.
Yeah, financial aid look like a real hangover food still. So
Man, eat it like him just finished a party too.
but
Lord, we know who win, hey. That reaction alone, look at that.
That is it.
Guys, I'm coming for a fucking rematch.
yo man, eat this.
Yo, rate that.
That
So
is
yo, I
it.
wanna taste it still.
That is it.
Put one hand up on
James, actually forward in and try them.
Yeah, it's good.
I'm not eat sausage now.
Oh, it's a shit. Shit. I said, I'm done. I'm done.
Done!
Yo,
Yo, let me actually try it. I didn't even try the creation.
Try it.
Forward run and try
Try
it.
it. I want you guys to try that one too. But actually, I like it still. It's like bird bush food. Yeah.
Chef, how you feel like you do?
Tell the truth.
Wait a second.
Come on, man.
Yeah. We say do it.
Come on, man.
Yo, and really and truly, the pepper save it. The pepper give that like real food kick.
Give it a flavor, yeah.
No, just taste it, please. I just want you to just taste it, please.
Yo, all I'm saying is, I have no problem tasting it, but James have to taste it first. Stay away from it, even though I just won't grab any of that.
I give a E for effort.
Yo, we never use this flavor yet. Too much.
It's too much.
It could have worked.
It could have worked.
You know, I know, I eat this so often, but at home I get to use the fucking onion.
Yeah, you just make a full soup.
Hold on, it's so like eat this one regular.
I know. I feel regular. but
Wait, with the bully beef?
With the bully beef, yeah, the bully beef, but you get to use actual onion and everything in the bully beef, not fucking COK soup. Remember the only season is the COK soup season, you know.
So yeah, how you feel? You know, how you feel that Lucha took it today?
I don't feel away cause you win some, you lose some. And he came out swinging, he came out with a proper meal. He had his head there, it was good.
Yeah, he thought quick, yeah.
Yeah, he thought quick. I think that was it because I was grabbing things and putting things back. I was like, oh, let me do this, let me do that. Lucy didn't have that problem. It's deserved win.
Man.
We ain't no sore losers out there.
No sore losers around here because you guys can get a rematch any day you want it. So what I want you guys to do is comment down below when you want to see a rematch because you know next time Nick is cooking though. Cook next time.
I think what we also can do, we need a secret ingredient picked by you guys.
That would be the awesome
In the
one.
comment section, drop the secret ingredient, the most liked ingredient.
Will be our secret ingredient in our rematch. And Nick will be cooking this time, so there'll be a 3-person cook-off.
Yeah.
And we're going to find an even better judge. Alright.
No, it's competitive. Watch out. Get on the dance again.
Get on the excited dance.
We know say yo this one competitive as fuck. I don't think I've seen him lose.
Oh shoot.
Hey.
Oh shoot. Yo, me can't talking about because before me come here, I shot a video and I lost. We played that game for 5 rounds. I lost back to back. It went from best out of 3 to best out of 5.
Yo, hold on, stop it. Quick, rock, paper, scissors.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors. Yo,
Yeah, they would have went rock every time.
yo, I just had to stop whatever we do because it just looked like we were just sitting there.
Alright, guys, thank you. We're signing off. Big up Nick, thank you very much for judging. Thanks for taking a chance. And big up Chad, you won this
Every
round.
time. You guys know we got some banger collabs coming for you guys before the end of the year. You guys gotta stay tuned.
Video section.
Stay tuned.
Cameras rolling.
Cameras running every angle. Videos are forwarding to you, right?
Gwan Squad, thanks for watching the video. Very happy to have you guys here. Before you go, please just remember to like and subscribe. It'll mean the world to us. Thank you. See you soon.